I have often dreamed of a far-off place, and a voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to be. I'll be there someday. I can go the distance and I'll find my way. If I can be strong, I know every man will be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. But to look beyond the glory is the hardest part, for he was measured by his heart. Like a shooting star, I can call the distance. I will search the world, and